Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to deactivate AI Mail Assistant in IONOS Webmail. The first thing I want you to do is just go ahead and log in to IONOS dashboard itself, not IONOS Webmail. Okay, log into your IONOS dashboard, come to the top, click on menu, and then come here and click on email. And you'll see all the domains that you have available. Click on the domain in which you had AI Mail Assistant. So I'll click on this one, and in this you'll see all your email addresses. So as you can see, this one actually has AI Assistant active. Now to deactivate it, you click on that email address, okay? And then you just go ahead and scroll down until you see AI Mail Assistant. So AI Email Assistant, click on this. As you can see, it's active, okay? And then all you need to do is just toggle this off. Right now it's enabled. We just toggle it off and it will go ahead and refresh. As you can see, it is now disabled. So that is how to deactivate AI Mail Assistant in IONOS Webmail.